Today I'm going to teach you how to change your scene from this to this with just a few simple lights. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Hyde, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your scene into something a little more cinematic with just a few simple lights. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with our main light called the key light. Now this key light today, we're using an Aperture 300D Mark II. I just picked this baby up. It is an amazing light. I'm absolutely in love with it already. I don't remember the size of the softbox that's on here, but we've got a nice big softbox diffusing the light and giving us this nice soft lighting. Now this aperture is a beast. We're sitting at 4% right now currently, and it is just providing a lot of light. So this is a really beautiful light. Typically when I do my stuff, I like to set it up about 45 degrees off to the right or left, and then about 45 degrees down. This is what we call the Rembrandt lighting, which you'll notice a triangular shape here on the opposite side of where the light's coming from. Gives you a nice soft but dramatic look, allowing you to really kind of get that dynamic, dramatic style if that's what you're going for. Now you don't have to do this off to the right. You can do something more directional. It just really depends on the style you're going for, what kind of lighting. You know, you can get more dramatic if you shoot from overhead. It just really depends on where you're going. Sometimes you can throw in a fill light on the other side with something a little softer, a little less power, just to kind of get rid of these shadows if you want to do that. But I typically like my stuff to be a little bit more on the dramatic side, so I usually stick to just this one light. And then that will move us on to our side lights or rim lights. There's multiple names that I've heard these called, but I like to have two lights on the side here, kind of hitting the background and the side of me, which we'll do now. And there you have it. I was gifted a couple of these LED tubes from my Amazon wish list. I've been utilizing these for a lot of my video content. They're amazing, RGB. You can change them to multiple different colors depending on what you want your scene to look like. I typically like cooler colors, so purples, blues, turquoise. Sometimes you'll see me use red, but that's not a cool color. So if you look here, you'll see that now we're getting some color in the background, and it's just really giving a little bit more dynamic and depth to the video by adding that. But I don't stop there. Just to add a little more spice, now I'm throwing in a couple of LED neon signs in the back, just to give us a little bit more flair, a little bit more character on the wall back there. Just creates a little bit more interest, a little bit more ambient light, and just gives us a little bit more oomph. Again, this is a real simple light setup. We've got one light here for the key light, we've got two on the rim, and then we just got a few lights in the back. Now this, you can set this up any way you like. You can play with colors, you can play with different lighting effects and styles and positions. Anything you want to do to get a more dynamic and unique style of lighting and video for yourself. Obviously this is all subjective. It's just very simple to set up a few lights like this to get a different kind of style look and something a little bit more professional, a little bit more cinematic. If you found this content helpful at all, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and help me continue putting out content. If you want to take it a step further and you really like this, head over to our Patreon where there's tons of perks and rewards for you. bokuahide.com. Scroll down to where it says join the family. That'll take you over to sign up. Thank you guys for all the support and love, and I hope this video helped you learn something useful today.